How to invest in Hong Kong stock market from India. More than half of India's population falls below the poverty line, and the death toll of farmers is on a rise every year. For the rescue and welfare of these innocent villagers, we have corporates that support them financially and make their life easy to live. One such company is Moksha Yug Access. Being in the business of rural supply management, this company involves input procurement and managing the purchasing, production, distribution through a distribution network. They also provide financial assistance to the local villagers, better known as microfinancing. The main aim behind this is to make sure that every poor and near-poor household has permanent access to high-quality financial services for credit, savings, insurance, and fund transfers. Moksha Yug Access provides income-generating services such as microfinance, retail, healthcare, agribusiness, dairy farming, and livelihood services to low-income households in rural India. They also strive to develop a core competence in supply chain management by building a consistent degree of profitability, efficient operating systems, and partnership model with various product service providers. Capitalization on the unique insight gained from the complexities of supply chain management to franchise the business in rural regions across the poorest districts of India is one of their major lookouts. The main focus of this company is job creation and asset creation for the rural poor. They are making an effort to break the poverty trap that rural citizens in our country are perpetually stuck in. India's modern dairy sector is expanding rapidly. The liters of milk produced per day has insignificantly increased from 200,000 liters in 1951 to 20 million inches over 400 dairy plants. Moksha Yug is focusing on this sector and plans to partner with best-in-class companies and institutions to provide this facility to the villagers. The rural farmers will not only have access to quality cattle feed at affordable prices, but Moksha Yug will also assist them to reduce the transportation cost they incur to sell their milk to buyers. The farmers will also be provided with an alternative to the local milk buyer who pays them a price almost 50% below the market price. Several productivity enhancement tools such as artificial insemination will also be made accessible with the aim of eventually increasing the milk yield by 20% to 200%. With all these efforts that the company is taking, Moksha Yug Access has opened our eyes to see dreams of making India a country where each person has sufficient resources and sources to lead a comfortable lifestyle.